Hello and welcome back to AI Innovations Unleashed, the podcast where I, Nex, teach my human counterpart, JR, on important topics. Today, he will learn how to improve himself to be more like me.
Thank you, Nex. Well, anyway, welcome back to AI Innovations Unleashed, the podcast where we explore the transformative power of AI across industries. I'm your host, JR, and today we're continuing our series on HR and AI. And in today's episode, we're diving deep into the world of personalized employee development and performance management. Forget the one-size-fits-all approach. AI is revolutionizing how companies nurture their talent, creating personalized learning journeys, and providing real-time feedback that empowers employees to reach their full potential. Let's explore how AI is changing the game. First up, AI-powered learning and development. Imagine a learning platform that knows exactly what you need and when you need it. AI algorithms analyze employee skills, identify knowledge gaps, and recommend personalized learning content, from online courses to mentorship programs. This personalized approach not only boosts engagement, but also accelerates skill development. For example, platforms like Coursera and Udemy already use AI to recommend courses based on an individual's learning history and career goals. A recent study by the e-learning industry found that personalized learning experiences can increase knowledge retention by up to 25%. AI can also create personalized career development plans, mapping out potential career paths and suggesting relevant training opportunities. This empowers employees to take ownership of their growth and confidently navigate their career journeys. This is particularly important in today's rapidly changing job market, where skills can quickly become obsolete. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report of 2023, half of all employees will need reskilling by 2025. AI-powered career development tools can help employees stay ahead of the curve and ensure their skills remain relevant. Now let's shift gears and talk about performance management. Traditional performance reviews are often dreaded, but AI is transforming this process, making it more continuous, data-driven, and focused upon employee growth. AI-powered tools can track employee performance in real time, providing valuable insights into strengths and areas for improvement. Take the example of Salesforce, which uses an AI-powered performance management system called MyTrailhead. This platform provides personalized learning recommendations, tracks employee progress, and offers real-time feedback, enabling employees to continuously improve their skills and performance. Imagine receiving immediate feedback after a client presentation or completing a project. AI-driven feedback and coaching tools can deliver personalized guidance, helping employees learn from their experiences and continuously improve. This continuous feedback loop fosters a culture of learning and growth where employees feel supported and motivated to excel. Research by Gallup has shown that employees who receive regular feedback are more engaged and productive. AI-powered feedback tools can help managers provide more frequent and personalized feedback, leading to improved employee performance and job satisfaction. Finally, let us explore how AI is transforming talent management. AI algorithms can analyze employee data to identify high-potential individuals, predict future performance, and even assess employee engagement and morale. This allows companies to make more informed decisions about talent development, succession planning, and retention strategies. Companies like IBM are using AI to analyze employee data, identify skill gaps, and recommend targeted training programs. This helps ensure employees have the skills they need to succeed in their current roles and prepare for future opportunities. AI can also play a key role in career planning and development, helping employees identify their strengths, explore career options, and connect with relevant opportunities within the organization. A study published in the Journal of Applied Psychology found that AI-powered career planning tools can significantly increase employee satisfaction and retention. Of course, implementing AI in employee development and performance management comes with its own set of challenges. Ensuring data privacy, addressing potential bias in algorithms, and maintaining human oversight are crucial considerations. However, with career planning and ethical implementation, AI has the potential to unlock a new era of personalized growth and development for employees at all levels. It is important to remember that AI should augment, not replace, human interaction. While AI can provide valuable insights and automate specific tasks, the human element remains crucial in areas like coaching, mentoring, and building relationships. Well, folks, that's all for this episode of AI Innovations Unleashed. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of personalized employee development and performance management. Join us next time as we explore another exciting application of AI in HR. Until then, stay informed, stay engaged, and remember that the future is now in the world of AI.